Previously in the Yorkshire Dales.
Wandering down the hill. I think some of the shots with Crackpot Hall kind of in the foreground looking down over the valley here is arguably nicer than anything I got close to the hall or in the hall or around the hall. In actual fact, I found the hall far more interesting as a kind of playground for a bit of video, for lots of places to reveal scenes and such from. There's a few of those being used in the B-roll of this video. And I think it's time for me to head back because I'm getting damned cold. My good lady and daughter have already gone back to the car. I like this little farm building here. I assume it's a farm building. Got a look at a house about it actually, isn't it, with the chimneys on it. I'm not sure of its origin, but I've got a few of those with this path leading through. I think they're more snapshots than anything else, but I'll put them up, trying to make them a bit more atmospheric, more interesting that way. But, and I did get some shots of it looking that way earlier when there was blue sky here, and there's a patch of blue sky there as well. I mean, it really does change in just a couple of minutes. I thoroughly enjoyed the time here, yeah, despite the fact of being really cold. On occasion when the sun's out, it's actually quite warm. But what a wonderful place to be. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you're enjoying our trip in Swaledale today. Just a walk out on our last day of our holiday in Yorkshire Dales. If you're enjoying it, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of such things, although as I say, last day in Swaledale now, but home tomorrow, back to Norfolk. But if you want to see more of these things, please subscribe. It's only one click of the mouse, and if you don't like it in the future, you can unsubscribe. And if you'd like to support me in other ways, all the links below will take you to Amazon, where I'll get a tiny percentage of anything you purchase having clicked on one of those links. Doesn't have to be whatever you click on. On a day like today, what I really need now is a cup of coffee, and there's a link below to help me out with one of those as well. See the cloud base because the exposure on the video doesn't show it, but there's a lot of rolling cloud there. It's moving quite fast, and excuse me, sun's high up over here, and we've got weather changing all the time, as I keep saying. A little while ago the sun peeked through the cloud up on the hill, just literally coming straight off the top of the hill really. It's flown a little higher since shooting the video, but I capture it just in time. Got set up very quickly, and also exposure brackets on the tripod there at the barn with the sun really coming straight at me over the apex of the barn, looking down the valley. Great shot. We're going to merge it in Aurora HDR when we get back to the cottage, and might tweak it a bit as necessary, and I hope you enjoy it.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll tornadoes, we'll drink morning dew, and we'll be lovers, me you. Full force.
Now I really don't have much of an angle on this. If I go further up here, it's absolutely treacherous, slipping everywhere. The only real clear spot I've got is on having its branches really. Not a great photo, but I'll show it to you briefly. Got a feature photo, and of course I don't know whether you can even hear me, but that's that.